So, hi together. I'm so excited to be here with you today. Time is ticking. After a long and very successful period of traditional fluorescent lamps, this chapter is now coming to an end. But we at Ledvance are quite sure there are even more brighter days in front of us. So please let me take you on a trip, a journey full of information. Let me start with some challenges for the lighting industry. First of all, I guess most of you know it, there's a fluorescent banning coming in year 2023. Then, all of us, we have the needs of exchangeable components. Last but not least, our overall target reduction of waste. We are all fighting for a climate-friendly future because we all want to save our nice and lovely planet. To achieve that, for sure, we also have some energy-saving targets. In the year 2030, what do you think is the target for all of us in Europe? I will tell you now. So, the total planned saving in Europe in year 2030 is 260 terawatt of energy saving. This is corresponding to 100 million tons of carbon dioxide. Interesting fact here is that the share of lighting is close to 16%. That means we from the lighting industry can contribute one of the biggest portion of this tough target. So let's fight together to achieve that target. For sure, to achieve those targets, there are also some regulations giving from the European Union. I just want to mention two of them. The first one is the eco-design, and the second one is the single lighting regulation. And this year, in September 1st, we will have an update for those two regulations. The main changes I will mention here now. First of all, in the future, are all light sources evaluated. No matter it's a lamp, it's an LED lamp, it's a luminaire, it's a light source, or any other kind of component. Then, all the packaging and pictures are slightly adjusted. That means some updates on pictograms for mentioning some light sources. Then, all light sources in the future, not as it is at the moment, only the LED lamps, must be maintained in the so-called April database. Then, I guess most of you have heard about that, we will get a new energy label. This does not mean that our lamps are more inefficient in the future. The reason behind is that it's hard for the customers out there to separate which light source is really efficient or more inefficient. Then, last but not least, important topic here is that, at the moment there are many products out there. The warehouse is partly full with the old energy label. So there is a transition rate behind. That means all products imported before 1st of September this year are still allowed to sell until March 2023. Let's continue with some really practical aspects. You all know the situation. You are entering a room, switch the button, and the lamp starts blinking once, twice. Partly it never will stop blinking. Using LED, this will not happen. But this is not the only positive thing switching to LED technology. Today, I want to deliver one important key message to you. For every application out there, we at Ledvance provide the right tube for it. But now let's proceed with some product benefits. For most of the applications out there, we can provide an easy plug-and-play solution, no matter which control gear you are using. And there are also other options like rewiring, for example. Then, low maintenance cost, important thing for all the customers out there. A LED tube lasts 2 to 3 times longer than a traditional one. That's really great. By the way, our substitutes have a lifetime up to 75,000 hours. Amazing number. Then, quality of light, important topic for all of us. There's also now a requirement coming in the new single lighting regulation. This is divided into 2 steps. The first one is valid in September this year, the next one in September 2024. This is a much tougher requirement. For us at Ledvance, quality of light is that important, so therefore we decided that all of our substitutes fulfill this much tougher requirement already this year. Then, as we have seen in the energy saving targets for all of us, switching to LED, you can easily save up to 70% of energy. In addition to that, using sensors, you can easily save up to 90%. Incredible number. Then, all of our substitutes are made of high quality glass. This is not only relevant for your green footprint, there's also a clear benefit behind, because no banana effect at the end, the glass is stream as it is. Good. Let me show you some applications where we can provide the right tube for you. First of all, it's industry. For sure, if you need some high bay solution, it's for warehouse, it's for retail, and also for food presentation, if you need some special spectrums, for example. Also office use for sure, residential applications, public buildings, last but not least, the big volume driver, car parks. Here I want to share some best practice experience from a customer from us in the Netherlands. He was looking for a quick and easy solution to upgrade their existing system. Let me show you some nice pictures here after the installation. And here our substitute connected system has the perfect fit. To tell you more details how great that product is, I will hand over to Diana. Thank you very much.
So, hello again. Today, here I will show you our substitute connected system. So it's a very easy system. It's a plug-and-play system. That means the sensor will directly communicate it to the tube via Zigbee 3.0. That you need no app, and also you need no additional control gear for this communication. The special on the system is also that these sensors can work in master-slave function. That means this allows you to have bigger areas and also different levels at your car park. So how does it work? If you're now entering, for example, with the car, the parking area, the sensor will detect your movement and the lamp will be bright up, it's here, to 100%. Afterwards, it will be dimmed down to an adjusted value, which you can adjust directly on the sensor or with the remote control. With the substitute connected system, you can easily upgrade your lighting solution so that you have an ultra-short payback time and you can save up to 80% energy.